Hi, this is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install the Office add-ins for SideKick365 xRM. These add-ins have deep integration with both accounts and opportunities in SideKick 365 xRM, and they let you save emails, documents, PowerPoints, spreadsheets directly into an account or an opportunity. So how does it all work? How do we install these and get them hooked up so that you can now start saving right from the Office applications and in email? It's pretty simple. What we do is we have a file that we will send you that looks like this. It'll be an MSI file, and all you do to get started is just double click on it. Now when you do that, you'll be given a wizard that'll tell you what to do. You just go to the next button and it asks you, where am I going to install it? We'll put this on the C program files in Skylight Systems folder, and let's say next, and we're going to go ahead now and install, and it takes just a moment. You might get challenged for a credential or for some alert from Windows telling you to ask you if you do want to trust this add-in, and the answer will be yes. We might see that in just a moment. So right now the install package is gathering the correct information, and it's going to start installing here momentarily. Now there are a few dependencies, and here's that alert that I warned you about. We will have a .NET version, and we also have a runtime version of SharePoint that gets installed behind the scenes. They're both client add-ons that we utilize for some of these add-in capabilities. There's no charge for them. And if you run into any problems, it's most likely that one or both of those files will need to be installed on your PC as well. But we do that behind the scenes, and if everything goes as planned, this is all the steps you should need. So we've gone ahead now and installed the software. Now we need to activate it. So what I'll do is I'm going to go up to the program directory in my C drive, and I'll scroll up here to get to it. I've got a lot of files here, so let's close down this one. And let's look for C programs where I put it. And let's look in Skylight Systems. And there they are. And I'm going to look now for my SideKick 365 xRM Office add-ins folder, which is right here. And then I see these four files at the top here. They're .vsto files. What I want to do is double click on each one of these, and they will install into the various Office programs, the add-ins that we wrote. So we're almost done. This is all we've got to do. We'll do the next one for Outlook. There's no particular order. You can install any of the four or all of the four if you'd like. And now Excel. And it'll take just a moment to open up that add-in installer. And we'll install that as well. And that is it. We have now installed all of the software that we need to run. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch Word, and we'll take a look at how this all works within Word. So you can see the add-in getting loaded, and I'll open up a document here. Let's do a user's guide here. It'll take a moment to open up my file, and then now I have this menu option at the top called Add-ins, and there's my button for uploading. So if I go ahead and click on that, I'll get challenged the first time unless the credentials have been cached to log into SideKick. Now they were cached, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this in Opportunity 1. And I'll give it a name. It's fine. I like that. And let's just double check. Let's call it a manual. And now I will have uploaded that file right into the Opportunity 1 underneath ABC Lock and Key. It's just that simple. Now let's try the same thing with Outlook. It might take a little longer to upload all my Outlook files. Getting Outlook fired up can be a little lengthy at times, but let's go ahead and try it. So now I'm going to load up Outlook, and then my Outlook add-in will be available in the ribbon just like it was in Word. I'll open up a message and save that message into Opportunity 1 as well. So just going to wait for Outlook to fire up here. And as soon as it does, I'll upload one of those documents. Now again, if you have any questions about this while we're waiting, you can always email us at info@skylightsystems.com, and that's SKYLITESYSTEMS.com, and we'll get right back to you with any questions you might have. So let's take a look at this email from Dan Pfeiffer at the White House. Now I'll go ahead and open up that email, and when I do so, I have my familiar button here to upload this email into SideKick. So I just simply click on it one time, and it'll take a moment to go grab the information from the server, and it'll then present me just like in Word with the various accounts and opportunities. I'll stick this one in Opportunity 1 as well. Let's upload that, and we'll see that that email has been uploaded. So now let's go take a look at the program, the app, and we'll find that these documents have indeed been uploaded as we hoped they would be. So it'll be just a moment here while I launch my browser, and we'll go into SideKick365 xRM Pro, and we'll take a look at having those documents uploaded in. So let me scroll down. I've got it on the very bottom of my long list of favorites here. It'll be just a moment. And now I'll come into my demo site that I've been putting together here. Signing in. Make sure my credentials look good, and they do. Let's try that again. Okay, now we're coming into the system, and we'll take a look at that Opportunity 1 that I was talking about. And we'll take a look at the attached documents to that opportunity, and we should see the email as well as the Word document that I attached. And there they are. So that's about it. This is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems. If you have any questions, email us at info@skylightsystems.com.